Hi there. What are you? Are you, I don't know what you are. Are you a humongous orange seed or something? I mean, I just don't understand. You just sit there, and you don't have any eyes or a nose or a mouth. I heard people carve you and make pies out of things like you. Ugh, what are you? Some kind of vegetable? Do I eat you? I don't understand. I just don't, okay? Please, do something. Please. You sit there, looking at me. Actually, you have no eyes or mouth, so how are you even looking at me? What are you? Get out of here. You just sit there and stare. It's just so impolite. It's preposterous. Stop. You stop! You're freaking me out, dude. You really are. You just sit there. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. I'm just here eating your relatives, which are seeds, if you are a seed. I heard there's seeds inside of things, like you. And you're just sitting there. Let me eat them instead of trying to get me away from them. It's just rude, okay? So just do something, please. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. It's fine, just fine. You're so preposterous, so preposterous. Please get